What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So, I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys, my people. I'm gonna run through the intro quick and fast. So, I've Shay and Annie at it, and the person who started are the Lion Man, my people. So, Shay make mackerel, make him a candy, you know what I mean? In a little riff. Although, a candy at this Shay still, you know what I mean? So, the Lion Man, you know, go over Annie. Must see, we don't know what happened to Annie last night. Seen, and him go ask Annie like, how she doing, right? And I say, boy, she wanna know how she doing. You see me I say? So that they stir up a little thing between Annie and Shay right now. Zine. So me I go share with Uno. Shay I respond to Annie, and Annie I respond to Shay. Seen? Also, we have the Lion Man and Jabbas talk bad about Mika. You know what I mean? Mika voice, how she feel about them. You know them love give them little self trouble. I trouble them a trouble Mika still, but she take it serious. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna share that also with people. And I don't know how I left out, but anything I left out at the intro, you know what I mean? We are gonna have it in the video. I maybe add more things as we go along. So make we get in at my people.
Body!
You know what you do.
And anybody me this me not apologize to you. Go suck your mama. A pure suck your mama you get. Apologize to who? Make you feel like son or who? You must sick pan this blood clot ya.
But do not share.
Only in the comments, boy. Share beg back friend from Annie. I told Jayden don't know if explain him blood clot self.
Oh, you know him, do. You know him now go spin. Him go spin it round female because him love mix up so the suck would stay.
We are talk about Queenie, we are talk about. Me don't know what you talk about.
That you do. And we know, me know say that you do. Remember me know say that you do. You spin it round, but as she ever tell you.
Exactly, Savage. Exactly, Savage. He never that serious. Because all me just said to him say, go and go check by your friend, and I'm my friend. So me tell him say go and go check by him friend.
But stop say that because you never said that either.
No, me say go and go tell a friend the truth.
And that you say. Go and go tell a friend the truth. And me tell him say she can't sit down right there, so I'm blink him off of the blood clot screen. Why you never tell her that part there? Say Queenie say the way she love blink, she will blink off of the blood clot screen. Why you never tell her that part there? You're so good friend. Come on for the screen, you know. Come here this side.
That.
Anthony, oh, you feel it. You are good. You got my table. It's a pretty man with one light in a do it. Anthony, you know you want me blood class freak. Regular me have you on your motherfucking days. Oh, you do it like that.
You're not laughing now. You're not getting me for laugh.
You dine at my table. Hey, bomba clot. Hey. Me never know so anybody. Me never know so anybody. Shay. Alright, later. I got to spread this song, make everybody know say it boss.
Alright, go on.
Oh, you feel do it.
Zuma!
When you know your bad news. What one? You know your bad song drop. Who sang?
Oh, you feel do it. You are bad man free. Young from Anthony. Oh, you feel do it. You are bad man free. You dine at my table. It's a for the man with one light in a do it. Anthony, you know you want me blood clot freak. Regular me have you on your motherfucking days. How you do it? Like that. You want me bad man freak. Regular me grabbing your throat and your feet. Freaking on me bed and bad man in a straight. Tell your friend him, both you know do it.
How that? How think that? Annie. Jayden, pull up. Annie, that.
Oh, if you do it, you a bad man freak. Young from Anthony. Oh, if you do it, you a bad man freak. You dine at my table.
You done up my Suck out your mama. Suck out your mama. It mix up done for you, batty boy. Obviously not. If I could have go in, would I in already? Yo, Jay, I dare give me a play now.
Wait, then
Listen
tell
now.
us.
But I wait now. This is a song. Yeah.
Oh, if you do it, you a bad man freak. Young from Anthony. Oh, if you do it, you a bad man freak. You dine at my table. It's a for the man we go on light in a do it. Anthony, you know you want me blood clot freak. Regular me have you on your motherfucking days. How you do it? Like that. You want me bad man freak. Regular me grabbing your throat and your feet. Freaking on me. In a straight. In a friend.
Who name Anthony? Hey, Jay.
You dine at my table.
Who name Anthony?
You only go look so for girl pitney.
Bro, dear game. We are playing from morning.
Hold on. Look on the ranking. Oh, now play for morning.
Much of that.
You can't this with that. Move for you.
So many see on the top 10.
Much of that.
Huh?
Much of that.
Number 1, look.
Let me see. Are you named the real Kavi?
Me like I'm ranking.
You want a box in your ears?
You have to play dear game, Jayden.
The census. Look like them stop use you.
No time, man. Me and my dog, then good, man.
Oh, yeah, them good in a real life.
All on the media, man.
Oh, long time, I don't so do something.
Then last night, you know, see me over there. Last night, they invite me at the game and I say, I not play, I make me stripper play. Why problem? Me and my dad, they have to talk every day. Them I work on me, I work. Working people have time to communicate. Working people have time to taste each other. You see me? Where you want, man? Each up and talk to me every day. You know, fuck, man. All the way out there, I work. And my dad, them I work. When I time for idle,
Alright, senses, we get you.
Yeah, but no, I'm just have to make it no, because I just feel like, say, Ray, I'm just ever tell him, say, I told the car come move better than the bills. No time.
Census, I know, say census for true.
I'm glad you know.
Sign.
Yo.
Some people, the lion man must see link up with Anthony, seeing, and him say him a go do back song for Annie. You know what I mean? Him a got the studio today or tomorrow. Tomorrow I think him say him a got the studio. Zine, but even before Annie do the song, you know, him say him did a go do song for Annie, you know. But me don't know how him no reach at the studio and he make Annie reach at the studio before him. And go do that. I know Annie maybe just do one song for one phone. But tell me how his song sound, my people. I effort still, but give me an opinion.
Man, go on every day we play the game, man.
Jay, no, I live in a Jay. Circle in I run some dear game.
Go on, man, to the people.
Circle.
Shoot for you, brother. Why you tell me say we lazy like put us, brother? Go on, man.
Yeah.
We are work, brother.
Who's that put us lazy?
Me know why you say we lazy like put us and we ever fast. Go on, brother.
I'm play.
Jay,
Huh?
Very cool. I play some game. That's on talk to the pan, you know.
My top black top in the brother. Go on,
I
my
hear a joking thing in man, the pan.
Oh, what about joking thing?
We're there upon the gimmicks thing, I know, bro.
I look where I look, you might the season that I can get free look meet much no brother.
Alright.
But we don't know nobody else to add.
Brother Jayden not playing the game, brother.
So why am I not playing that game?
You're not going to play that game, brother.
You're not going to do it, dear.
Come on, my team. Pour it up.
My side, pour it up, my side.
So it even make no sense. This senseless, like, you know.
My side, pour it up. My side, I did again. My side, pour it
I
up.
need a bill song in my birthday month, brother. Me can't bother with that, you know.
No,
I said
My side, pour it up, my side. My side, pour it up.
thank you.
J.A. be on Galaxy, please, Anton.
That's the game. Biggest 5 a day, I'm
Galaxy, please, Anton.
Session.
Based on Galaxy, J.A. Please, Anton. 5-1.
Triple.
My side, use the triple and chat. Don't make it triple done. My side, don't make it triple done. Title, basic no. My side, don't make it triple done. My side. They must square can't beat nobody in my side. My side, use the triple my side. They must square can't go work, you know.
Unique, I want next one.
Alright.
Yeah.
Hold it down, you know. So, alright.
I go there if you call Abel.
You have a number?
Yeah, me have your number can give you.
Okay. If me lose.
When you lose?
Me know for you talk to your people, but me just know.
Stop the damn thing now, bro. Yo.
My side, pour it up.
Bro, me on a one dog, expect senseless. You see, me on a one, bro.
So if you feel a way about that?
No,
So, boy, you lose.
Huh?
Boy, you lose.
Impossible.
Eh?
My side, come on, my side, push up the story, my side.
Focus, my team.
Impossible for you to lose. Okay.
My side, somebody help me on the chat.
Cut one anad.
Oh, if you do it, you
Come on, my team. No focus. One another chat. Everybody focus.
One another.
Focus, my team. They're going to want another. Biggest.
One another.
It's a for the man we go on like and I do it. I'm telling you, do you want me blood clot freak? Regular me have you on your motherfucking days. Oh, you do it like that? You want me bad man freak? Regular me grabbing the foot and your feet. Freaking on me bed and bad man in the street. In your friend him, both in the street.
Yeah, and easy, you know.
Late, man.
My side, go use the double on my side. My side, see double. I could use the double on my side. My side, I could use the double on, please, my side. Wait, me, I beg you to sit for the double, please.
Come on, my team.
I beg you to sit for the double on my side.
Two more jail like your fuck that. But man at 21 and saying around you. Man like your fuck.
Huh?
I'm telling you, the boy. You lie so.
No, man, I'm a different account that, man.
My side, we can't see double my side.
Come on, my team.
Jesus Christ, thank you so much. My side, come on. Why? Nice. Come on, chat. You think you can't set the score. Come on, focus.
No, sense didn't know so my style up.
Unique.
My side, Porter. You're the boy, man, dog. My side, Porter. You know, say that boy I rate me, but he just go like, we believe for like, chat, my side, Porter.
Let's see what I go now.
No sense of me rate everybody for the app.
We do
What that the back of you do so?
You need me a dear for bed.
You have to go buy it up that something there now and jump that.
No.
My side do not hear my dear.
What the white something there?
Me don't know what they call it.
I think we come out of brand new like fridge and them thing.
Out of car, yeah.
My side, this is square can come unique. My side unique with snipe.
Yeah, they don't say a dear game me a play me look so don't diss me here. That man.
Slime, how you look so?
Wow. Hungry?
Yeah.
Soon go eat, man.
So Jayden, oh yeah, look for we so.
I look for you.
I go cook some food.
Code, be our money going no code, please. I dare game.
Come on, my team. What me not season do?
You need to make you lose, you know.
Get some season on the road today.
Get
Come
shot.
on, my side.
Come on, my team. Pour it up the screen. Biggest 5.
If you let nobody go, sorry for you.
If this a boy lose, he might jump in and do no dare.
Who that?
You.
Yo, channel star. Turn up, man. That's something them thing, bro.
Come on, you know the know.
Ron, tap them thing there, bro.
You know the know there.
Tap them thing there, bro. Now do me here, bro.
Blessings.
Focus me team.
My side, come on, focus. They will snipe now. Last this game don't done until we done.
Why they tell the truth? But all if you do that much less.
Biggest 5, body on
My side, game don't done till we done. My side, game don't done till we done. My side then go snipe. My side then go snipe.
I'm all thank you.
My side then go snipe. Somebody can snipe chat.
How the rascal like this?
Somebody can snipe chat. Snipe chat, snipe now.
Unique, game more do Unique.
Blood clot, Tommy.
Rascal.
Princess, just bite up on onion now.
Alright, dada.
Alright,
When you chat
senseless.
too much,
Yo.
Senseless, take off your underpants and put it in your mouth.
you know say one day like that, me fi do one day if you tell somebody and a slip me. Your teeth be there, Jayden.
Unique, what you say?
I never meet teeth.
What you know hear more you do? Nah pressure your bro, but more you get some oil and throw it in your ear.
Alright. Hold on, my phone I did. Wait, no, me I go for extension and plug my phone. Phone there 5 with a lock up. Hold on.
Why every girl on TikTok is something wrong with them baby father? Why? Like we always have some baby father problem. And different type of man have to step in and you know?
What you mean we?
Like Kitty.
You say we a while ago, what that mean?
No man, me mean like you know like
You never say we always have baby father problem. What that mean? What the rascal Jayden amidst my youth?
like mackerel, Kitty.
Focus me team, focus. Come no man, just charge out on here no man.
Well, I know that them got.
Mama, I love you, Zuya. Thank you. Bull, Kareem, Jay.
Jayden, give me a deal.
Suarez. Come.
Yo, man, eat me no. Man, eat me fuck.
Jayden, give me a deal now.
Me tell you something put, bro. Me tell you something take out your underpants. Don't put it in.
Jayden.
I'm gonna hear that, bro. Sam, I had to laugh.
Yeah.
But I'm now feeling that basketball again in the mic. Come on,
Sam,
man.
can't tell if you do that.
Jayden.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, give me a deal, give me a deal.
Hear me?
You
Yeah,
Nick.
two piece.
No,
Yeah,
that
bro.
I flag up a live.
Yo, my people. I be a fool in this, the lion man go on with it now. So, let me know what I think, my people. I don't chat too much in another one, yeah. Well, watch a little bit more and then move on to the next.
Put them in your nose. Put some two pieces in your nose.
Alright, I'm going for you. You Nick, see Isla, may I come?
And let me see only check. Alright, good you. Yeah.
Jayden, all that a bad you do?
Yeah?
All that a bad you?
Oh, no. Oh, why you feel like you me attack?
You can't.
What do you Unique? What do you? It's a bad you? Well, if it's a bad you, I'm sorry.
You want to have secret for each other, you know. That me realize. Feel our energy there. Come on, make it.
How that bad you Unique? How that bad you?
All people business bad you.
No, come over here with that and fuck with it.
Just stop that, bro.
Bumbo clot.
Yo,
Flag.
that 2D man, just chow, man.
Come through oil in your ear.
TikTok not for the week. Alright, so?
Come on, me team.
Do all like from your ear, no?
Nobody know how I walk. Nobody know how I walk.
Come,
All they want Unique shit.
Stop calling
Stop calling me there.
Walk up.
Yes, Jayden, we know you're not fixing nothing on the shoot. Yeah, whatever.
Journey, free me down. You see, too, me have me some friend we always I go take my lighter them. Me have to go every 3 seconds and I go pan stove. You see me I say? I have a friend where me can't keep one lighter around him. I make buy a lighter and Quinty gone. You see me I say? Yes. Friend them we always I take your lighter.
How you talk?
How attack me team?
How you talk?
You search all them pants all 5 different lighter in a one packet. You know one light.
Oh, put it in my talk, oh.
Yeah.
Huh?
You hear me?
Yeah, me I hear.
Stop looking at
Me I hear, man. Me I hear what you say. Huh? You get black. Where you get to black?
Jayden slow. Third quarter.
You mean Jayden slow?
Are you slow?
No, do no.
My team.
See?
Biggest 5.
Chat, tell Annie if you come no man a bomb blood clot now. Jayden, where you go stop to him about in the morning now?
Boy, first me I see family peaceful this morning, you know.
Thanks, he follow pretti thing. But what me I say, Jayden, see, boy, why they didn't come down for him to blood clot? Me have to stand up for him, yo. God no. But tell him to not blame you. You know, see, Jamaica, but there's a don't blame Jayden because Jayden make you know in true intention. Make you know boy does true intention.
What you say?
Ask them. Me never see that. Me never born yesterday.
So
facts me attack. When me attack facts, me not really born you out. But when time me a gimmicks, me born you out. This is about me a chat facts, me not born you out. Me just talk it through. This is for other now. Hold on. Man, make him a Mika go with him a blood, baby Mika go with him a Mika go no man. Jayden, trouble Mika when he come over here.
Hey, morning.
You see a little problem, you know, say Jayden over here, but you still want to come over here, you know Jayden over here. And you know you're Jayden up like Gunga line. You know problem, so man.
no, man, me and Mika good, man.
You and them, me see nobody.
You know say Jayden that day.
Just relax. Jabba, some me not in a play game.
He know say Jayden there, so when he come for Annie, and he know.
Me never know such a I'm not in a play. Game. I'm here to
Annie, you must listen to me say no. He come up on his screen and show what would there.
No, come up on my screen, sir. So what you talk about?
Jobbers, all if she blood
What you
class.
talk about,
What
man?
me I say? All if she blood class, she can't turn if she want turn.
Shabazz, where you going with and she there?
Other back on.
Come on, man. Don't do that. You don't get on top of me can her so. You see you? Man in this coming up? Watch her. No, she don't want to play no match with me.
More know why Mika I make them 2 youth get on her nerves. By now she supposed to know them 2 youth I know all them stay say them give trouble right through. Once them link up together, a trouble that. You know what I mean? So why Mika make it get to her? Jaja, people make me know all the thing. Make me watch some more.
Me rotted, Jabazz. Why not? Hey, baby. Can't play with me?
Good man, I'm ready to complete. I'm not ready right now.
Why?
No, no, brother. Sit down and watch me. No, no, the play. I mean, not Jayden on the 2 friggin' disrespectful, brother. Now what I realize that. No fucking 2 disrespectful. Me good man. Shape I saw the by myself, brother.
Bex.
Tell me because if you calm down herself, I remember the bigger one.
Big up so man, you know.
She know how the thing goes, so tell her to like she a fool.
No, I mean, I'm always met nobody style or nobody come with no foolishness over here, so.
So how that style I want to go on the
Our style, did they run joke with our
and then go with France, I saw them stay. I see
them. Nobody come with the foolishness.
And them same one did over the blood clot fire them live yesterday. And them same one. How is that insult to say she knows that Jayden they are still accepting? No look a joke. She always a customer say nothing other with Jayden. She always a customer say don't other with Jayden. So me I say si Jayden here come to the hour. So what wrong with that? Don't know if you go man.
That's how we share cry for. I can't fuck with people. I want to drag out things and make things seem to a level. You understand what me I say? A man say, no other in no match with Jayden because she always as if you no add with Jayden. And that the man say, right? So how this now go say me I make somebody insult her? How people fucking stupid or what? That's not gonna talk about people dance. How dance wanna be? He keep on say what you do over here. See Jayden here, so you know if you in and a match with Jayden, you know so we know if you add you with Jayden. And that the man say. We don't wanna draw things too much, man. I wanna make things judge certain way upon the app. It was just a joke. So when I come here and make a thing jog out them type of way there for. You know, I just call and go play with some because sometimes you see me, I can't take you one bag. You see, fool in the show, no come with me, can't deal with it. Every day, you come with some slackness, you know, man. Every day, something else different, some type of slackness. Let me go check on her. I go, guys, let me go take my phone and go down there, go check on her. We never hear man look on her and disrespect her. We never hear man say nobody out time out. He say, you know, here we say we not pick other in a match with Jayden. And that the man say, what you do over here? Right? And she know Jabba stay. Jabba's love run joke with her. So when since now she go vex up and we call it. And next one the people are come run with it. Like literally. We just always want to make some type of problem. And that's not a problem.
And it cool from mine as Zabas coming up. As Zabas comes, somebody starts stress.
I've had the whole on in you. I mean, why you try to say something to man, you know? The girl companies from me simple say to her, I say, I go on like I was a Jayden. What is wrong with that? What is that disrespectful?
Zabas, if the girl wanna stay, she stay. If she wanna leave, she leave. She was gonna stay.
I'm gonna come alive out there and add me.
Mika, you know, I look joke me around, you know. Sorry, man.
I'll get report.
I fear, man. Come down now. Come over here so fine now. Come down, man.
I want to talk.
I can't tell them me attack and I can't hand it no more you.
Jabas, I'm here.
You know, tell them where you find out. You tell them where you find out.
I didn't matter. Deal him.
Can't deal with me.
Hold on.
One thing in a brick. Me not take no disrespect, you know. Me know you're not.
Wait no.
Yeah.
Jabas. Let me talk to her.
Stop one second. Yeah, next one.
When me say let me talk to her.
No, but when you do that, you make it like I say something wrong for you and something wrong because I say nothing wrong. We're going to go joke with her. Say you're supposed to tell her, me can stop one second. You know what trouble Jabas are trouble you.
But me say we just company for the life. Look how the man are going on my company life.
Me can joke me and make baby girl.
What time I'm here to joke man.
Alright, sorry Mika. Alright Mika, I'm sorry. Your brother is sorry, Mika. Sorry.
No.
Annie, tell him say me sorry.
Annie, why not start? Yeah, long time to come down.
Go on walk. Go on your phone. Up on your phone and look at so. That's not you. Oh, you're rich enough, you're over here, big.
You look nice.
I'm playing a game with nobody. Bumbuckler. All of them just come one bag of foolishness. Every day I just one bag of same fucking foolishness, bro. Over and over. Now she blame me. You understand what I say? I mean, she blame for everything. This one. Nobody bother me, you know, because sometimes my thinking different from people thinking, so. Me no see Jabas disrespect her. He say what you do over, but a joke man I make. How comes when you getting on the feelings say everything? And that me keep on I say, why not getting on the feelings?
I wanna make it things that seems like a jolty thing. You understand what I say? It's a joke. That is a joke. She knows that Jabba's not disrespect her. He said, why you there over here so? And I know said Jayden the ear so. And that the man say, you know? So how could that be serious? He did not disrespect her. So I could not make it think Chav look like say man disrespect Mika. And him always a look out for Mika. The reason why man says say no want Mika play match with Jayden. And a joke him man a make. So when you want to try make you think yo every day on the come with something yo Bumbo tell send me match man. Right? I saw the set up people, brother, set up thing on the depan, brother. When I tell set up people my you, I don't like them something the man. And if I'm gonna run and go up on her life, I tell her, I say, yes, I true, Jabba's disrespect you. I joke him and I make him and no mean nothing.
Some people are the same thing me I say now. Me I say, Mika for nobody know say Jabba's them and the lion man them a troublemaker. You see me I say? And if them say nothing towards she, especially Jabba's, him not really mean nothing. You see me I say? Him not mean nothing by what him say. So, wanna tell me if Mika overreact and she should understand say yo, I just fun and games. Or, you know what I mean, Jabba's go too far. Let me know in the comment section.
Why man says so? What that's so? What is there? What Jabba said disrespectful? Jabba say, what you do over here so? You don't say you don't want to depend a match with Jayden. How comes that disrespectful? And that me I tell you say man no do nothing better no go on, you know. Yo, that me I tell you better no go on, yeah? Oh. So when I don't love come off with one bag of ray and one bag of tea, you know what I go on about no business. I don't like nobody peaceful, that me I tell you no. I'm black you too, you know. You can't tell Jabba the truth then how you feel.
Oh, of course I tell Jabba say Jabba's wrong. He wrong to do that, of course.
When say?
Me not even come up on the
tell me truth in a film face.
Mommy, me good man, Jabba's good. Me don't tell Jabba's right in front and face him a hypocrite. And me don't know that from day one. Mommy good, me tell her to end it right there, so. End it. If we play first three, we play first three, please. Me done, man. Good.
And that you don't always come here so come make people come blood clot drag me for me and different type of fucking thing. Because you know how funny it is. There was nothing to come out of that this morning. Like, why this reach at this level here?
I'm wanting to rest the case right here.
You get me? You can't tell me to stop talk. Me talk come I want talk. Because right now you have people in my comment section down in my face now. Right? And me people are going to turn on. Screw me card later. Annie. Annie put her daughter over her friend them. You see me? You over there start ball. You go up on the media and I cry. So everybody know I go come now.
Guys, did I come on the media and cry? Was I crying?
You know exactly what you do.
I was never on the media crying. I ask you what me ask you what this our whole time. Me never did I cry. Why you tell that? Why you do that? Why you make it seem that me I try to bring you down? Me never bring you down, you know. You know. Me not bring her down, brother. Oh, when you think of me mute my life and then one side I chill until you come this and say what you have to say. And that hurt my feelings. Me get up and say, Aki, what end my life. Me not disrespect you none of time. Me not come by life and a ball none at all. Why you have to say me a disrespect you, bro?
Calm down, ma'am.
Oh my God.
Hold on, I don't want to talk to you.
Who that? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Level the vibes, guys. Level the vibes.
Alright, man.
Come, guys. 17 rows, 17 rows, 17 rows, 17 rows, 17 rows. Come, guys. Jaga, yeah. Big up your damn self. Fatty them, blessings. Serena, thank you. Natty, thank you.
Jacqueline, thank you. Kelly, thank you. 1K, the big up of themselves. Thank you guys so much for the support, guys. Danny, thank you so much. Gucci, big up of themselves. Come, guys. Triple starting soon, guys. We'll shoot on the triple, yeah? Progressive, thank you. Hell, bossy. Not like the name there. Anyway, big up of themselves. Kisha, baby, thank you so much. Mrs. Henry, thank you. Come, guys, the triple star, guys. Use the triple, guys. Use the triple, guys. Use the triple, guys. Use the triple, guys. Push up the score, guys. Thank you, Mrs. Henry. Thank you, Carrie Ann. Thank you. Come, guys. Use the triple, guys. Use the triple, guys. Danny, thank you. Vybz, thank you. Sayers, thank you.
You are kidding now. Guys, use the triple. OMG, thank you.
You know, something about the name of my phone. Just show me.
A good one. Guys, use the triple chat. Use the triple. Use the triple.
Thank you guys for the support, guys. Thank you guys so much, guys.
Fatty, thank you.
Daniel, thank you.
Chat, use the triple. Sexy boo, sexy body, thank you for the money gone. OMG, thank you.
I mean, I shoot off an area cap. Which one of them?
OMG, thank you for the honored. Mom, thank you.
Level the vibes, guys. Come, guys. Thank you guys for the love and support, guys. Daniel, thank you. With a Kesha, big up at themselves. What the bodies? Thanks for the roses.
100.
100? Yeah,
man, I want to make you and charge you and do the library.
Yeah, right now.
I'm trying to open the ranking.
No.
Sexy body, thanks to the money gone. Bro, Ash, mommy said she want to play first to 3 and mommy not play with me. Mommy, you not play with me? How you say you want to play first to 3 and you don't want to play now? You done with it?
Thank you.
I don't know what I'm to this, so send it something, come give me.
You're coming, Mama. TV. Turn it up.
Oh wait.
Oh, Shay naman. Yes, you're charging. How is this?
Run good. Your favorite man, I'm when people they don't use their brother. I'm not wrong thing, I'm brother. Come on, call nobody.
Think serious, baby. $17 was charged. 17 rose. Each person 1 rose.
Each person one rose, guys. Thank you, baby. Thank you. Each person one rose. Queen, thank you. Grace, thank you, babe. Bella, thank you. Thank you, guys. Guys, thank you so much for the rose. Love you, big up yourself. As a bad baby, thank you. Chat, this double tap. Make it some taps now, please. Make it some taps, chat. Double tap, double tap, double tap, chat. Double tap. Let everybody use a triple, use a triple, use a triple, chat. Kayla, big up yourself, Kayla. Thank you so much. Queen, thank you so much for the rose. Guys, everybody, thank you.
Me just come off for like, me really feel energy.
I'm gonna tell you, say, me can't deal with you. Me don't know how to deal with you. This moment, if me try, you push me and say this. This moment, me
Alright, people, let me know in the comment, in the comment section, because we all know say Mika are the type of person where don't love the drama and the excitement and them something there. So maybe she feel kind of embarrassed with what Jabba say, you know what I mean? Because at the end of the day, my people, she must still have feelings for the lion man same way, you know what I mean? And for Jabba, she come say what him say, you know, it look a way upon she, you know what I mean? Maybe she feel shame or, you know, she feel a type of way. Cause we know all the people them stay upon the internet. You know what I mean? So let me know what you think with people. You can watch some more and then move on to the next.
me sit down and me now look. Yes, I'm vex. You started to feel a way about it. How me I go deal with you? You depend on the media. You can't even deal with the media. Me don't know how to deal with you.
Yeah, listen to me. You saw we did I play a match this morning?
Hey, come kiss my blood clot ass and lick up my butt. And that you fi do come out of my blood clot comment section.
Me no watch the comment section. Me no watch the comment
Is
section.
that gonna keep on give me an headache no matter how me try? You keep on come down my throat. How much you think me can take? And me try to do good, only still a push me away. And me say this now still the plan. Me say what me fi fucking do? Bro, I go on, man. Bumbo clot, man. Me can't bother with nobody you. When I feel like me and a fucking you, man. What the fuck? And then see one of them come down for me jagger. Right? People say this me a try. Me say, alright, Mika, come and me a play a game. Me nobody want to play a game with you. Me go there so me talk to her. She start get vexed. Me don't know what to do. Jagger say one look at something to her. She get vexed. Simple something. What me do? Me stress out. Me have so much for me. And nobody not think about me. None of them not think about fucking me, bro. Brother, look at my comments, man. Bumbo clap. Man, I'm tired. Like me, I want to look at alien. You see me, nobody not give a fuck about my feelings. Me this boy said to I say, alright then, come and me play one game. Mommy, me nobody want to play no game with you. Me don't know how to deal with you because you keep on a threat back in my face. So what fuck me for do? You better so much time I feel like just get rid of myself to blood clot. Like me even one day to bumbo clot. Like me just want to come off of the bumbo clot lanya, bro. It's like me just try and vain. Everything me try, me just try and fucking vain, bro. And the stomach keep on a feel. And no matter how me try push out the energy, they keep on a dash it back in my face. Look on that simple something that is so freaking simple. Simple something that where you go vex for. And me keep on a say, alright now, come and me play, right? Mommy, me not about to play with the Ray. Bro, if you have a problem, just go on. Me have one problem for deal with. She 19. She have to get it together. She have to learn to be strong. You understand me? If she can't manage the media, come off her media then. You see me? There's so many things throughout me. I'm going to stand up see your way, bro. So this is a simple stuff. I'm going to say, alright, I'm not playing a game with nobody. Me and you. She still a throw back in my face. I'm all like people that don't put me right now. Eh? I saw they want people jog me like a dog. People continue now just a jog me. Oh, your mama this, your mama that, your mama Ray, your mama take. None of them don't give a fuck for how me feel.
So let me see this.
Force me see this to blood clot. Annie.
Oi.
Why, me don't know to Rasta, me don't know say one little joke. When I mean nothing, no danger, no harm, no disrespect could have turned out to be like this.
Me no know.
Something else is wrong.
And that me I said to because me I said simple this does reach you so how?
All I said is you're going like you know see Jayden over here, you walk over with Jayden over here. That's what. That is minor. We tell me some belly big and long down, blah blah blah.
You're not always a run joke. You always a run joke against one another. This while ago, me say, alright then, make me and you alone. Just go and play. Right? She still come back again. Yeah, me don't know what to do. Me don't know what to say to you. Me not understand. Me say she a cry, me go over there. Right? Me go over there. She said she not cry. Me say, alright, come make me play a game. Me did me and her attack it, I get out of hand. Me shut me mouth. Me come back and me say, alright baby, ready now. Come make me play first to three. Me not better play the first three. It's like me don't know it couldn't be half a simple this jabbers. How much time you not run joke?
Because me simple say is that me say yo sister Jayden over here still come over here face sister Jayden over here. Cause him always a cuss me and say yo no add him with Jayden. So me I say sister Jayden over here still come over here Jayden for. What is wrong with that?
And that me keep on a say. So now everybody now turn down for me. Everybody that not everybody, but people now run down in the comment section now. You get what me I say, right? You put friend over your pitney. You this, you that, you this.
Because they're talking the truth, so they don't vex.
All because of that jabba. So me can't understand it's simple. Me they are positive from money, we they are positive, everything I go good, you know. Everything good, everything positive, everything blessed, you know. And simple that.
You were wrong. Wrong for a little joke and tell him say Jayden over here still come over here. They go suck out the mama here KP. Make a black for over here.
Yo, at them people here do it. Me I tell you.
Alright, my people. Let me know what you think in the comment section. So me I say, let me know if you think Mika overreact or she just in her feelings and emotional. Tell me what you think, my people. Let's go watch some more.
You know, cause this man is like a bag of negative coming out. I just be a negative. I mean not get it for what? How? Where? Me not understand. You run joke with her and you're not always a run joke. So how comes this become a problem? You understand me?
You look on Mika. You look on Mika because I they were play upon the game and the whole of it score high. When my score low, they troll me. Team score low, me say team say yo, you see score low and it score but it score high. Go and go look at what. A regular, that is a regular trolling thing, bro. More people come and think you fall off. Go look at what Jankro, Ibex a higher, cement deck in a morning. Nobody not vex over that, bro. But
what I know, she will look at you and say, go big belly jabbers. And you run her where I want to laugh about it. And that means me not get it. How it reached this a level here.
Bro, something wrong with the man, bro. You know what I do.
I know him have people them did know a common family youth. I mean already I got through so freaking much. You see me?
And me call him on the phone and me tell him, so me say, listen, if you feel a way about me, say sorry about that. I say, he goody. So me say, alright then. So
this couldn't be about just that. Me I tell her that. Me not ask Christ. This could never be about that.
I listen up, and don't say yourself, you know, say Mika just I put on a show, love him. Don't feel love about it. I just a show I put on. Me I tell her.
You have to be a show.
Oh,
you have to be a show. Thank you for the heart, me baby.
Somebody else add. What?
Clap me. And the people may come and say, Shay, unmute. Shut up about sure. Go suck your mama, honey. Any big pussy girl talk about sure. Me dig up on a bumper clot and want it. Dog, them wanna bring come here.
What do you have to dig up? She give every animation for you span them.
You come here, boy. Anybody will bring down my kids them and bring me down and ray. Everything when your blood clot talk about how you bring come here. And you come tell who fuck your daughter, who left your daughter, how much disease your daughter them catch. Who want feel up your daughter, even what you
Everything what she say, you tell her back.
You don't learn. Every minute you want to come tell about who feel up this, who has to do what I hear, pretty them just traumatize her.
Anything me can tell Anna.
You come here, Cuss Eldino, and you come here and tell we say Eldino feel up Zoe. And you lock up in blood clot. And some know say you're lied. You're dirty mama. You make your them go through peer trauma. And you come here want to blame other people. Don't blame me, bitch. Don't blame me. Don't blame me. Cause who the fuck could I try out for my little daughter? I'm in a blood clot, bring her to police station. Make them lock up your blood clot. And my daughter talk how it really go. You sit down the pan lab a Cuss with blood clot elbow, and that's why you cut him off. And you're careless. I don't know who I'm gonna tell you, but you're careless.
No cut off.
Yes, a disgrace.
But she had a rub ground. Feel cold ground.
You're careless.
Like she mad.
You're careless, bad. Because there's no fucking way somebody can make out for my daughter. I'm sit down and blood clot, alright with it. And you sit down for level, you feel comfortable, tell we that. And your moderator them not even say to you, say, Annie, so you tell you make over Zoe at 14, lock him up now. That for sure your son a liar, bro. Only we do anything for bring down people.
Anything for money.
Anything for sure your son a liar, dog, because on everything I wanna say me run with it now. I look into things come here and say, Eldino make her feel like a 14-year-old and you just cut him off just so. Same even tell me say you cut him off and look a report and make her one station. Make Zoe go talk all the touching go and whatever. Hey woman,
when people talk about her 14-year-old should I rub ground for them.
Listen now, you not even know what you do. Like, you don't know the things that you're doing on the internet where you come and see your kids them. I don't know who I'm going to really tell you because over your life you look like said dunce a lead dunce. Blind a lead blind. Your mother rated them a lead in one blood. They must have you they sit down and look like a fucking idiot. I don't know who I'm going to tell you the truth but they mean for tell you. If not like that now I'm to your daughter, don't fucking speak them something if you come out of your mouth towards your kids them. Are you dumb?
Because we're going to take care and tell you.
Are you dumb?
Too careless. That's why I don't like the woman.
You ever talk about how come we cut off Eldino because Eldino make her for Zoe. Make her for Zoe, you know, say no, you know, nobody not tell us say Annie you report it. Me know anybody else on the TV. Say report it, Annie. What you plan for do about it? Something. Nothing at all. And then you come here. That's why I know say you're liar. Because that's why you come tell one lie for me already. Say me send man come in your yard. And your son come out come say a lie you tell. Nobody no come in your blood clot yard. Nothing what you say me no believe you. Yes a liar. But in all fear and honesty, not because me eat your bumble clot and me say me eat you like poison. That don't mean say me want to strokes lick you down. That don't mean say me want to the strokes lick you down. That don't mean say me want to the pressure lick you down. You're too dunce. You're too blood clad dunce. And dunce is a crime. You come with everything just to stop your daughter from going to school Monday. Look where you come with yesterday. Who touched Zoe? Who make her for Zoe? Look where you coming. It's all over my For You page. LD don't make her for Zoe. LD.
People, are the lion man cause all of this, you know? Nobody but the lion man cause the whole of this war go on, you know. You saw this youth here mess up and mischievous. People, and him go say, mention Shay name to Annie, you know. Make Annie have something to say about Shay, you know. And see it, you know, Shay and answer back Annie. Boy, may I tell you, know, let me know what I think, my people. I want some more.
You know, make her for Zoe. Just because school has start Monday morning. So what you gonna tell TikTok say you know Eldina make her for Zoe, so the people gonna trouble her at school and me not send her and she not come out of my eyesight. Just because you find a way. If you don't send Zoe to school Monday morning, no. So you're gonna find things gonna tell we. If you will listen to you. And you come here and you sit down and you ball.
Yes, so you just say
Bally, people wicked.
yes, so you just say you tell her Eldina make her for Zoe. Come in right.
Me no know how. Me no know how no. Me no know where school do Annie. Like when Annie hear about school, it rattle one nerve in her brain way. She just go so and she just chip out in her blood clot like she says school. And she just start dark up the place when she hears school.
I don't ever hear this true.
It's like school when you come out to school, it traumatized Annie right through school. Annie says school. No man, that traumatized me. What the fuck when I mean school? I saw you stay.
I heard they ever hear the strokes.
School, Bill, no school traumatize you. About school, none at all.
Right. You say all the truth.
You come here about anybody will bring down my pity them, social media, my pity them, them people like them for wipe off of the earth. Be careful. Get have a way for you humble all the way. Because you might wipe off before blood clot me. Me not under pressure. Me not trouble with them, they something there. Me not take no medication for nothing at all. Sickness go for everybody. You hear? But be fucking careful. Remember your words. People like me for wipe off of the earth. At the second time here you say this, you know. Me hear you say it to red dance already, you know. Me see you come say it. You depend on Jayden live at Jayden say people like me for wipe off of the earth. Be fucking careful what you wish for. Be careful what you wish for. Cause Annie, you might go before blood clot me. You might leave this fucking earth before me. Be careful, cause God have a way for humble all a blood clot way. You hear? And the second time me hear that come out of your mouth, me hear you tell Red and say people like him for wipe off of the earth. And you come here and say people like me for wipe off of the earth. Be careful, cause I don't trouble with pressure, miss. The only thing I have is asthma. I'm not taking any medication for it. My asthma now come every day. Even when I shout, I scream, I run, I bawl. No. My asthma have a thing to do with the weather, the atmosphere. That's the only difference. But you have high blood pressure where you have to take medication and all. I don't know if you want to see her. When she Cuss, you see one vein over here so. And it gets stiff. It just stiff and can't move. I mean I say, that woman is afraid the blood vessel busting her head or something. It just one vein the right, it just when she hungry and it stiff your fuck. Stiff and it now go down. And then the eye start get twitchy. That's why I say she love blink, cause the eye get twitchy. But we want to need to pay attention to watch her mouth. Watch her mouth when she hungry and when she a go on. Watch her mouth. It get lean. It go to the left side. The left. Somebody point it out to me and so me see it. The left side. Just see when she mad and she a go on. You go like me, say nothing wrong. I just say Jayden for go and go tell her the truth. start to come. Last night when you come check for me, I feel good, you know. But now I feel sad because you tell me say, Debo check for me. I never check for your lady, don't get it wrong. I'm one of the people in there comments tell the blood clot truth and tell us, I know so you know, don't say the blood clot girl. I know so you know. I know so you know. I know blood clot so it going on. So that's why I have to come live, come clear it out and talk how it's really blood clot going on. Kind of say, no bitch come go like say, I sit down on the phone and I care about them or me I want different person on TikTok and different person on the phone call. I don't want a bitch feel like that, you know. Cause I'm not on blood clot, yes or no God, you know. Check on no mama. Check on for blood clot to her. Me and her friend, me like, you know. Me and her friend, me like blood clot, you know. Check pound for pussy clot to her. Me like a bone in your lady. So now when you come talk about me feel sad because check and this is a big pussy girl in the comments about one thing, you know, and you know forgive nobody, you know, and if I give your mama big pussy, me I beg for forgiveness from blood and you who's Annie? Somebody pretend me who is Annie. She a big friend from Annie and forgiveness. Friend from Annie, friend. Because I pick up my phone and say, Annie, let me 100,000. When I get paid, I give back. You don't play blood clot me now. You played me now. You played pussy clot me now. You don't come about big friend from Annie. Jayden and Jabaz, mommy know say me and Jayden are in a dealings. Why you add me and Jabaz and Jayden? Me not in a dealings with Jayden. You should have add me in the first place with them. And if you add me now and see them, I get disrespect. As me come by your life, me get disrespect. And next time I say, make me can't angle media. You know much people dep on the media disrespect me and make me still dep on the media. It even makes sense to explain myself. There's difference. I don't know me I go through in a real life. I don't know what happened. On the media, it's all different. You come, when mommy come down like and she could have said to me, Jamaica, just load that and continue to play a match. She come from my life and she say, Mika, load that and play a match. Load that and play a match. And I say, wait. I told you to wait. Me soon at the back. Because I give myself time for calm down. Because I did angry. I even pause my life 2 times. And next time.
Alright, my people. So, want to tell me what you think in the comment section. As me say, want to make me know if Mika overreact or, you know what I mean, she have all right for act how she act and maybe that's her personality too. You know what I mean? So, want to tell me what you think, my people. We'll watch some more.
Only see when she come down there in a car and I tell me say, Jabaz said it was a joke, he never mean it. Yeah, they pan live with Jayden, they pan live with Jabaz. Jabaz disrespect me there, so. That means that Jayden can come back and disrespect me and you're going to say a joke. So, I said to them, I said to him, me and him are no friend. No, no friend dealings, because for what they had disrespect me for no reason. So all disrespect is joke nowadays. So now I tell him, me and no friend. And I say, if you turn to mommy, I say to her, say, if you allow Jabaz Jayden for disrespect me, who else accept for disrespect me? Accept every other man out there for disrespect me then. And next, after that now, she mute her life and she say what she have to say. And it really hurt my feelings. And I should never cry when she say it, but it hurt my feelings, it's true. Really hurt my feelings. Up to now, I think what she said to me, yeah, me feeling so I didn't want to take a breather and just walk. And next Aki walk, I come out and I got me hold my heart when she said to me that she walk up in the moment and I come out and I did a cry. And she make me cry. And the job still make me cry next. Aki walk say, Lord that me can, Lord that I ignore all of that. I'm so alright then. Next she come for life and she still attack with the same topic. I mean I tell her say leave it alone. And next I say if me can't angle me that because I'm weak then thank you. But weak if me can't angle me that me need to come off. Brother. Done man. With that 30 in a ranking check. And next job has come up and me phone and tell me saying he never mean it. Bro, I could have just jump off. This new way for reach so I could have just jump off if Jabba ever walk me out and I go on so. Because I come like Jabba a Jayden bodyguard or what? Jayden more then. But still, I say go man. I'm out me the week talk bit. The week talk bit. Yeah, then I share. I want to follow my comment section because I'm mute here. See anything happen? I'm mute my live. I'm mute my live for sure, so I'm not following nobody. I'm mute my live and I'm made and I say, yo bro, I'm just a distance myself from somebody where people can know real. That alone here. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Because it seems that me turn against me, madam. I'm not turn against her. I'm so come off here, man. I'm not come off because I can't take it problem. I can't take my problem. I want to go up there and I can't even do that because I make nobody feel like me more around because me get views, bro. Answer today. Because nobody say me around now because me get views and me thing them, don't want to do that. I prefer just come off alive and go somewhere and just stay to myself, brother.
Alright, well, people. So, your Mika right now, I say she don't want rank because the people them are going to say, wait. Yo, you have to take advantage of every situation at every time because at the end of the day, the people them are going to come on your life, them are going to bring you down. You know what I mean? Them are going to chat about you, them are going to do all different type of things. So, if you get the opportunity, where you see say you can make a money off of them, you make it. You see me I say? Because at the end of the day, entertainment for them. And you the person who entertain them. Not really deliberately. But your life become an entertainment to them. Rank all you want, you know what I mean? Play much all you want. Take advantage of them bungle up on your life and see if any of them are gonna give you. Simple as that. So people let me know what they think.
Do something fun and just take a little breeze and sit with yourself, man. You're good, man. You're good. It's okay, man.
Chop right quick. I had it for you.
Yeah, so take a
Me I drive. I better go on the road, man, dog. No. Dog.
I want to mix up now, no, you can go watch that. What, come to me.
Like watch it.
Thanks to the finger hard. Guys, just if me go around, I don't want to come in and tell me about them, let's talk about them.